Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Tunisian Crochet Tuesday, where I talk about Tunisian crochet on a Tuesday. So, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian crochet simple stitch. It's really simple, like the name says, and it's super fun, and is the basis of all patterns that you will do dealing with Tunisian crochet. Before we get started, if you could like this video, that would help me a lot in the algorithm. Comment down below if this video is helpful and make sure you subscribe. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I go live mostly on the weekends. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get those alerts when they come to you. All right, so with that out of the way, let's get started and jump right into the tutorial. For this tutorial, I will be using my Chiago Tunisian crochet hook. This is in the size P or 11 millimeters, and I'm also just using some Lionheart Hometown Chunky yarn, just so that you're seeing it clearly. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so for this tutorial, you're gonna start with your slip knot. And then you're gonna take your hook and go through. For this tutorial, I'm going to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, so we have our chain, and then for this, what I like to do is I like to flip in the back and look at all these bumps right here. Those are the bumps that we're gonna go through for our starting foundation chain, okay? So, you're going to be skipping this bump right here, and we're gonna be going into this bump. The chain that is on your hook is going to be starting as your first chain. So that's why we skipped this one. All right. So then we're going to go through the bump, yarn over, pull through that, and you have 2 loops on your hook. And we're going to continue to do that. Go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, go through your bump, yarn over, pull through, go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, go through the bump, yarn over, pull through, and now we're coming up to our last stitch that we need to make. So what we do for this one is we're going to look at it on the side, and as you can see, there's two, right? You see this little V right here. We're gonna put our hook through both of those. And now what you have on your hook should look something like this. And if you count them, they're going to count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? That's how you know that you're on the right track. All right. So from here, and it's very important, for the first one, we're going to chain 1. And then from the other ones, you're going to go through 2 loops. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'm going to go very slowly. So from here, you're going to yarn over, and you're going to pull through 1. Yarn over, and then you're going to pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 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 yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're coming to the end, so yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Right, and there you go. You have your first foundation chain. Now, this is pretty much the foundation to do any other Tunisian crochet stitch. We're gonna go on to the second row. So, we're going to skip this bar right here, and we're going to go into this bar. Watch very closely. We're going to go underneath, bring the yarn over, pull through, and that's it. Go through the yarn, yarn over, pull through, boom. Go through the yarn, pull through, go through the yarn, yarn over, 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 pull through. Now we are at our last stitch, and once again we're gonna look at it. I'm gonna kind of come in really close because this is very important. This is how you keep your edges clean in Tunisian crochet. So right here we have what you can see in the front, which is this first vertical bar, and in the back there's this stitch right here that's directly behind it, and it's like a little V, right, matching the V that we did in the last one. So you have this little V right here. Now, what I like to do sometimes is just make sure I got it. I like to pinch it and kind of put my finger through it. And we are going to be putting our hook right between them. Yarn over, pull through both of them. And that's your second row. And now we're going to be doing the return pass. Now remember, for the first stitch of your return pass, you're going to yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over. Sorry, why was I saying 1? Yarn over, pull through 2. 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 And as you can see, your stitch is starting to form, and it looks fabulous. All right, so I'm going to do a few more rows silently, but very, very slowly. Alright, so the nature of Tunisian crochet, you will have your ends kind of curl up on itself. That can be fixed with both a border or blocking, or a combination of both. But that's just the nature of it, and you didn't do anything wrong. Alright, so now I've gotten my square the way I want it to, and now I'm going to show you how to bind off. And it's very simple because it's pretty much a series of simple stitches. So we're going to go in the bar, we're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're just going to slip stitch. Go through the next bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Yarn over, pull up a, go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. Go through the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop, then slip stitch. And now we're at our end, and as always, we're going to make sure we're going through both. Go through them. So you can see I have two. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch. Oop. And there you go. You have a beautiful, simple stitch Tunisian crochet fabric, and you can make it however big as you want, and it already have, like, because you did the back loop on because you did the back bump, you have this edging that matches what you did up here, right? And then you can block it out, and it's a beautiful piece of fabric. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below, and I would love to answer those for you. Make sure you like this video so I know that I can post more tutorial content like this, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Well, that's going to be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and remember, create something gorgeous. Bye, guys.